Good evening. This is homework help for September the 10th. You had to finish problems on pages 69 through 76. We're still working with our base 10 system and our place value pieces and our base 10 shorthand. So if you would, look at problem number 4. It says Joe has 5 flats, 12 skinnies, and 8 bits. He says this is 528 pieces of candy. Is this correct? If not, how many pieces of candy does he really have? So we're using these as candy that he's put on his board. So the question is this 528 pieces? Well, we first need to see what we have, and as we look at each place value, we want to see, can we exchange any of that place value for one of a larger unit? So here we have the ones. Okay. And if I count these, I have 8 ones. And so I need 10 ones to make 110. So that's I can't do anything with those ones. I have 8 ones. Now if we look at the tens, though, when I look at the tens, I count there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So that's what it said. It had 12 in there. Well, if I have 12, I know that my exchange in the system, I have to have 10. So I can take these 10 tens and I can make a 100. Okay? So now I've taken these 10 tens and packaged them together and made a 100. So now I have 2 tens that are left right here. And then I count the number of hundreds that I have. These are hundreds. And I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the question was, did it match? Did he make 528 on his board? No, he made 628. So he had one, he didn't have enough, or he put too much on his board there. Okay, if you would, let's go to the next problem that I wanted to share with you, which was problem number 7. Here, it shows you that they're making different ways for the number 26. So, the first way they have here is they use 2 tens and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 ones. And we know each 10 is worth 10, so 10, 20, 26. So that's one way. Another way they showed was all ones. So 26 ones. I like to think a lot of times when we're working with place value as money. So if we had as the different ways that we could have $26 using bills, we could have 26 $1 bills in our pocket. We could have 2 $10 bills and 6 ones. And it asks you to name one more way. And so one more way, we could not have 2 tens in our pocket, but we could have one $10 bill. So that leaves 16 left for the ones. So this is the other way that I could arrange 26. And if we counted that's 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. So these are the 3 ways that we could represent 26 in our base 10 system. Now, if you would turn your attention to problem number 10B. 10 and the B part there, that's the second part of that question. Okay? So And here is another way to show 267. So our number is 267, and it's showing we don't know how many hundreds. We do know how many tens are here. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 16 tens and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 ones. Okay. So the question is, what's missing? How many hundreds should go here so that it does equal 267? Well, I noticed that my 7 ones, there's nothing I can do with my 7s because I need 10 ones to make a 10. So I now go to my tens place, and we see that there are quite a few tens here. And in our system, we know that I can take 10 tens and make 100. Okay. All right, so those 10 tens were made 100. So how many tens would be left here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Well, that matches my number. 6 tens, 7 ones. I know that I need 2 hundreds here in the hundreds. Well, I had 100 from these tens, so how many hundreds would I have to put with this 100 to equal the 200s? And that would be another 100. So I would need 100 to go in the hundreds place to make this equal to 267. I think this will be beneficial. I've done a variety of problems, 3 different problems. If you have questions, bring them tomorrow with you to class. Good luck, and I'll see you tomorrow.